Have you ever felt a love story change the weather around you? In the K-drama forecasting love and weather, every emotion becomes a forecast. The temperature rises with a single glance, and the heart goes on storm alert. Between thunderstorms and sunny smiles, love becomes a force of nature impossible to contain. Just like the highs and lows of a relationship, the story is full of unpredictable turns, where two people working at the National Weather Service find themselves navigating the tricky climate of their own hearts. And like every great passion, it has its own soundtrack. This is Neon Heart by the Synth Souls, because love also vibrates on an electronic frequency.